Did you know that many applicants get delayed or even lose their deployment not because they lack experience, but because they were not prepared for their medical exam? If you're scheduled for medical soon, this video might actually save your opportunity. Hi everyone, this is Tintin. In today's video, we will talk about how to properly prepare for your medical exam, especially if you're applying for a cruise ship or any overseas job. Many applicants pass the interview and complete their documents, but still get delayed because of medical results. So today, I will share practical and realistic tips to help you prepare physically and mentally. Tip 1. Get enough sleep. 1 week before your medical exam, start fixing your sleeping schedule. Lack of sleep can increase your blood pressure, raise your sugar levels, and affect your overall results. Do not stay up late the night before. This is not an exam you review for. This is a health examination. Tip 2. Avoid alcohol and limit coffee. At least 3 to 5 days before your medical, avoid alcohol, limit coffee intake, and avoid energy drinks. Alcohol can affect your liver results, and too much coffee can increase your blood pressure. Sometimes, one night or drinking is enough to cause a delay in your deployment. Discipline first, celebration later. Tip 3. Watch what you eat. 1 week before a medical, reduce salty food, avoid too much sugar, and limit oily and fatty meals. High cholesterol and high blood sugar are common reasons why applicants are asked to repeat tests. Simple food discipline can make a big difference. Tip 4. Dental preparation. Based on my personal experience, before going to my medical exam, I always visit my dentist for cleaning first. It's not because I don't trust the agency's dental assessment. The reality is, their process is very fast because they handle many applicants in one day. When I prepare my dental health beforehand, I feel more confident. I avoid delays and my dental assessment becomes quick and smooth during medical. It's a simple preparation, but it saves a lot of stress. Tip 5. If you take maintenance medicine, don't stop. If you're taking maintenance medication for blood pressure, sugar, or any condition, do not stop without your doctor's advice. Stopping suddenly can make your results abnormal. Always be honest during your medical exam. Hiding information creates bigger problems later. Tip 6. Be early and bring complete requirements. Always bring your passport, referral letter, eyeglass if you use them, and previous medical records if needed. Arrive early. Rushing increases stress, and stress can increase your blood pressure reading. The medical exam is not meant to reject you. It is meant to protect you. Working on a cruise ship is physically demanding. If doctors find something, it's to make sure you are fit and safe to work on board. While waiting for deployment, don't resign from your current job too early. Save money for possible repeat tests. Start improving your lifestyle now. Most of the time, the problem is not experience, it's preparation. Thank you so much for watching. This is Tintin reminding you that success on board starts with preparation on land. Good luck with your medical exam. I'm truly rooting for your deployment. Remember this, deployment is not luck. It is preparation. See you in my next video.